Hey guys, today I want to share with you these natural wicker baskets. So these baskets also come with these customizable labels that you can clip right onto the outside of the basket. What's great about them though is that you can wipe them right off with a damp cloth, making them very easy to clean, and then you can just change your label anytime you want. These wicker baskets are also super easy to clean themselves. You can just take a damp cloth and wipe them down. The material is breathable, allowing air to flow through so you won't have mildew or moisture buildup. My favorite thing about these baskets though is just how versatile they are. They look great in any room in the house.